Before lockdown, we were driving around the coast of Morocco looking for a good place to isolate ourselves. We stopped by a sand dune next to the ocean. We thought we could stay here away from the people. It turns out we were not allowed to stay here, so we moved on to a different place. So we chose to return to our favorite beach in Morocco. This colorful village is called Aghroud. We decided to make this our home during the lockdown. For the first few weeks, there was a windstorm every evening, so we decided to make the best of it, to walk the length of the beach every day, sandstorm or not. Okay. Well, we're making roasted peanuts with no skin. Buddy, Max named him. His leg is he's usually limping, but he guards our van, and then we just feed him every day. So right now we are going on our walk that we usually go on every day. And right now Max and Daddy are staying behind, so it's just me and Mommy. Hello. Hi. There's a bunch of camels. There's a camel right over there. There's a white one. Oh, there's a bunch of camels over there. Okay, everybody. Right now, we're trying to stay away from other people and buy some groceries. And then we're gonna bike back to our van, carrying all these groceries. And it's gonna be all on my bike, because I have Aghroud, you have a special place in our heart.
I'm not gonna cry.
Bye! We'll take you on your adventures. See you next time. Bye!